Hey, listen, guys, what I'm telling you, I've learned so much from Miss Kiana Danial, right? I always mess that name up, so I want to make sure I get it right. It's Danielle. And whatever you do, when you're in these groups, when learning to be an entrepreneur, trying to elevate yourself, you want to be around people that makes things simple, and she's the one, okay? Like, she's really the one. She gave me one win, just one. Sometimes you're in these rooms, you're one win away from your next million, your next idea, your next thought, right? Every deed is a seed, every thought is a seed, and every idea is a seed. You got to plant your future, but you want to be around people that's allowing you to grow, right? We in rooms like this, like we're here at a mastermind, and we're learning from other educated people that's doing the things that you want to do so that you can grow in your unique abilities, your unique businesses, and just the entrepreneurship world. Surround yourself around people that want to help you fill your cup. And Kiana is one of those gurus that's willing to do that. She's willing to go the extra mile to making entrepreneurship simple. Tap in. She's the greatest one on the planet. Invest Diva. All you divas, invest in Miss Invest Diva. She's the one. She's the GOAT. I'll meet you at the top.